Tired of dull or distorted sound coming from your car's speakers? Imagine hearing your favorite music crisp and clear again, just like when your GM vehicle was new. Genuine ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers are designed to restore the rich, full sound you deserve, right from your factory stereo system. These speakers aren't just replacements, they're engineered to meet the exact specifications of your GM vehicle. That means perfect fit, form, and function every time. Built to GM's original equipment standards, they deliver the same durability and performance you expect from your car's factory components. The secret lies in how they work. Using a combination of permanent magnets and electromagnets, these speakers convert electrical signals into precise mechanical motion, moving air to produce clear, dynamic sound. The voice coil inside reacts to the alternating current from your radio or amplifier, making the speaker cone move back and forth to create those crisp highs and deep lows you want. What changes when you switch to ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers? You get consistent, reliable sound quality that stands up to daily driving conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or stuck in traffic, your music stays vibrant and true to the artist's intent. Plus, since these speakers are GM recommended replacements, you know you're getting a product that's been tested and approved for your vehicle's exact needs. That means fewer hassles, no guesswork, and a longer service life compared to aftermarket alternatives. If you're looking to bring your car's audio back to life without compromising quality or fit, these speakers are worth a look. They're easy to install and designed to work seamlessly with your existing system, so you can enjoy better sound immediately. Plus, top reviews from GM owners across the United States praise these speakers for sounding just as good as the originals, 5-star performance without the premium price tag. Ready to upgrade your ride's sound system? Try ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers when you're ready to experience music the way it was meant to be heard. Your GM vehicle deserves the best, and so do you.